Hey folks, I have a little Kingdom Era Soprano ukulele to show you today. I'm really proud of it. It took a lot of time and energy to get this model up and running, but I'm really proud of it. So yeah, the body is all some really nice curly koa from Bart Potter on Oahu. And it's got a koa neck and a koa fretboard that came from my friend Kath on Vashon Island. She bought that wood in Hawaii many years ago. And then we used my random pattern rope binding made from all different woods in the shop. It's got a bone nut and saddle. It's got geared tuners. It's got ebony fittings everywhere, which I think look really beautiful. And this customer wanted the gut strings, which give a kind of softer, old-timey sound. I think that with modern strings you get a little more volume, but this certainly is charming. I really like it. And it has a cool texture under the fingers, which I like. Forgive my clumsy fingers, I'm still recovering from my surgery. So yeah, I'm really proud of this. It's number 923, and as with all my koa instruments, we'll be donating back to a nonprofit in Hawaii after this sale. And this is the first instrument out to a customer from the Kingdom Era series, where it's a customer order. So, a bit of a milestone for me. Thanks a lot. Cheers.